Guys, what's going on? We're back again. Today we're going to be with Ryan and Parker over there on his quad. And we're going to be building the landing deck all the way up into there. We already built this section right through here, steps. And we're going to get Parker to hit that one right there.
Oh.
And that one. So hopefully he does it. He's on the quad right now. Maybe he'll do it later. We have another one of those?
Yeah, so we could set one up there too. And then we can have like planks going through, so it's like 2 decks.
True. We should try that. So Parker's over there.
2 different angles from each shot.
So we'll get back when we're done and Parker's gonna hit it. All right, so we just finished second deck right there. It gets that whole section. Parker, clear out the weeds. Me and Ryan dug the whole section through here, all the way up. And then we made that area. And then right now we're just going back to get more water and pretty much more tools and other stuff like that. And then we'll be back. And then continue filming. Then maybe Parker will hit it.
Oh! Give me that! You gotta give me that!
Parker hold it, Parker hold it. He's the first victim who hasn't cleared it.
Yeah, I know, man.
Don't eat him! You're so stupid!
The only kid who hasn't cleared the jump. What's your name?
Ryan.
Only kid who hasn't cleared the jump.
Yeah. Yo, come help me.
Dude, it's called you put it in first gear and you just hold it wide and then it will.
Dude, you won't get it out of here.
To get out of here, but I say just throw your bike off.
No.
Yeah, that's the best bet.
That's the best bet. You're not gonna get it out this way without something to tow it.
He was in neutral.
Just try and lift it.
We can't lift it out this way.
Yeah, we can.
Alright, so Ryan's about to hit the next one. You got the next one easy.
Something stupid like that was gonna happen.
The next one's way easier than that one.
Dude, just go down and go start it.
Atta baby. Now hit it. Second gear, third gear. No. Full speed in third. Hurry. Parker's coming back from who knows where. Yo, Ryan, you should hit it again. Ryan. That was so worth it.
Hey, I knew they were coming.
He's getting too close for that small of a jump. For that small of a jump, he's getting too close. Ooh, Ryan's on the quad. Ooh, that was goody. That was nice. I mean, he's getting better. I wish we would start filming him at the start because he almost fell like 5 times. Ryan over here. Ooh, the quad, the light's on. Oh! 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 You good? You good?
Wait, don't roll it yet. I gotta get out. Parker, pull me out. Don't roll it.
Don't roll it.
Don't roll it. Stop. Break my leg. Pull me out. Someone pull me out. Someone pull it. I'm carrying it.
I'm filming it. Bro, we got that on film.
Let's go. Watch out, baby. Let's go.
Hey!
You hit your back on that. I saw it. On what? On the thing.
Take your goggles off.
Ryan!
How do you feel, Ryan?
Oh my god. That was awesome! I just freaking sent it.
Bro, you went flying. I got that all on film, too.
Oh, baby.
Bro, you really came in through here and you bounced off this jump and then it's like, oh! And Ryan, you rode on the side of your wheel all the way through here, bro.